Travel Itinerary. Presentation by Yeily Angarita. Holidays 2022. El Agua de la Virgen is an incredible place where you have to come. It is a religious tourist place surrounded by mountains and beautiful landscapes, located 15 minutes from the municipality of Ocaña, Norte de Santander. It has a cool climate, which is very pleasant. In this place, you can disconnect from technology to enjoy nature and different activities. The trip will last 3 days and 2 nights. Day 1. You will live the experience of connecting with nature in the Nature Bird Reserve, Hormiguero de Torcoroma. Day 2. You will visit the sanctuary of Nuestra Señora de las Gracias de Torcoroma. Day 3. You will enjoy a cycle ride stopping at the viewpoint Los Arrayanes. The means of transport you will use are taxi, private car, bicycle, or you can walk. On the first day, you will have the opportunity to disconnect from technology and connect with nature. You will arrive by taxi to the Bird Nature Reserve, where you will tour the place photographing the different views and landscapes. At night, you can tour the town of Ocaña in a chiva rumbera. On the second day, you will visit the sanctuary, where you can go walking along the ecological path or in a taxi on the road. There you will participate in the Eucharist and visit the museum. Also, you can buy religious accessories. At night, you will have the freedom to walk through the town of Ocaña. Finally, on the third day, you will have a cycle ride where you can visit the viewpoint Los Arrayanes. You can take photos and enjoy nature. This place is going to the sanctuary. During the trip, you can stay at the El Príncipe Hotel, which is a country place, or at the Tarigua Hotel, which is a more elegant place. During these days, you can consume the typical drink named guarapillo or bolegancho and corozo wine. And you can eat tamale with ocañera arepa, yellow corn empanadas, and ocañero bread. This tourist package has a cost of 600,000 Colombian pesos per person. Cheer up, make your reservation.